When people hear the word pollinator, they often think of bees or butterflies. But pollinators come from many different groups, each helping plants to reproduce. They include insects such as wasps, flies, beetles, and moths, as well as birds and small mammals like bats. That diversity matters because different plants rely on different pollinators. When there are many pollinators, plants have multiple backup options. So how does pollination actually work? At the most basic level, pollinators move pollen from one flower to another. That movement allows plants to produce seeds and fruit. Without pollination, many plants can still grow leaves and flowers, but they can't produce seeds or fruit. What's less obvious is how much this matters for food production. Pollination affects how much food we grow, its quality, and how reliable harvests are. But not all pollination works the same way. Some relationships are general. A flower may be visited by many different species. Others are more specific, with certain plants having flower shapes that match a pollinator's body, scents that appear only at night to attract moths and other nighttime pollinators, and colors that attract birds more than insects. When these relationships are disrupted, fewer flowers are pollinated, fewer seeds form, and plant populations can gradually decline. So what happens when pollinators begin to decline? When people hear that pollinator numbers are dropping, they often picture total collapse, but that's rarely the case. The changes usually appear gradually, through smaller fruits, uneven harvests, and the need for human intervention, like hand-pollinating certain crops. That extra work takes time and money, making food production harder to sustain. This matters more than it might seem. Pollinators support a large share of the food that end up on our plates every day, along with the plants that feed livestock and support wildlife. When pollination is strong, these systems are resilient. But when it weakens, we become more responsible for holding them together ourselves. So what does this mean for us? Pollinators keep our world in balance, and supporting their work is far easier than trying to replace it. Their role is vital. Our role is awareness and stewardship. By protecting the systems they maintain, we help pollinators keep doing what they do best.